In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip furniture with Facebook Marketplace, a step-by-step guide to turning everyday finds into profitable projects. Whether you're a seasoned flipper or just getting started, these tips will help you find success. First off, let's dive into research and planning. It's essential to take a thorough look at the current furniture listings in your area. This will give you a good sense of what's out there and what's in demand. Pay close attention to styles that are selling quickly, such as modern, farmhouse, minimal, and vintage pieces. Remember to check the sold section as well. This is where you can see the real prices people are willing to pay, which can guide your pricing strategy. Now that you've done your homework, it's time to source some furniture. Look for free or cheap finds. This could be through free listings online, garage sales, or even curbside pickups. Thrift stores and auctions are also great places to find hidden gems that are undervalued. Don't forget to consider bundles. Some sellers want to clear space quickly and might offer a deal if you take multiple items off their hands. Once you've got your furniture, it's time to clean and repair it. Start by wiping down surfaces and polishing any wooden areas to bring them back to life. Tighten screws, glue any loose joints, and consider replacing outdated handles or knobs for a quick update. If you're aiming for higher profits, a fresh coat of paint, some sanding, or even reupholstering could add significant value to your pieces. Now, with your furniture looking refreshed, it's essential to take great photos. Natural light works best, so try to shoot during the day. Capture the piece from multiple angles to give potential buyers a complete view. Staging with simple decor like plants, books, or lamps can also enhance the appeal. Just ensure your background isn't cluttered, as a clean setting helps your piece stand out. Next, it's time to craft a strong listing. Start with a clear and descriptive title like solid wood mid-century coffee table rather than just table. Be honest about the condition, including any scratches or signs of wear. Include measurements, as this is often a detail buyers will inquire about. When setting a price, start slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. Once your listing is ready, post it on Facebook Marketplace and in relevant buy and sell groups. Sharing it in local community groups can also increase visibility. Ensure you respond quickly to inquiries and consider setting up a polite auto reply to keep potential buyers engaged. Finally, get ready to negotiate and sell. Expect some lowball offers, but remain firm on your bottom line. Use phrases like, "I've had a lot of interest, but I can do your price," to assert your position. It's always wise to meet in a safe public space or arrange for the buyer to pick up from your home. After you complete a sale, reinvest the profits into higher value furniture. Starting with smaller flips, you can gradually scale up as your experience and confidence grow. For example, buying an old dresser for $25, painting it, and adding new handles for $15, then selling it for $120 results in a nice profit of $80. This cycle of reinvesting will help you move from $20 flips to possibly $200 or higher in no time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to flipping furniture on Facebook Marketplace from start to finish.